Hi, I'm Harshith Panchal. I decided to learn machine learning for my final year thesis. I came to know about the GUVI from a news portal as it is IIT Madras incubated startup and it is quite popular. And I enrolled in the course. If you are from a non-coding background, then there is nothing to worry about. They teach everything from a basic level. Mentors are really supportive. Course coordinator Sudha says very supportive and encouraging. Coming to the placement part, I got placed in a Paripoorna Software Solutions Limited as a trainee data science. Placement team is really supportive. I recommend to get enrolled in this course, work hard for next 6 months and get placed in a good company. Thank you.